The one-sentence summary is a great way to check understanding at the end of a lesson or section of content. Students are tasked with concisely summarizing information on a topic by answering who does what to whom, when, where, how, and why. Follow these steps to run the activity. Step 1. Before class, select a topic you expect your students to be able to summarize and create your own one-sentence summary using the summary questions. Note how long it takes you. Step 2. In class, ask learners to create a one-sentence summary by answering the question, just as you did prior to class. Give learners twice the amount of time it took you to complete yours. Step 3. At the end, learners can either submit their sentences or keep them in a learning journal. If handed in, make sure to review the entries to address any confusion or errors at the beginning of the next lesson. The benefits of this exercise are that it encourages full participation and helps learners organize information into a clear, memorable framework for easier recall. The possible challenges are the time requirements, especially if submissions are handed in, and summarizing can be challenging when there is more than one correct answer. To ensure the activity is inclusive and accessible for all learners, consider the following. Specify how much time students will spend on the activity and provide timing updates. Check in to ensure most students have completed their sentence before moving on. If possible, share the prompts prior to class. Have the question, who does what to whom, when, where, how, and why, displayed throughout the activity. Present questions both visually and orally. One-sentence summary helps students condense complex ideas into a clear, structured statement using the who does what to whom, when, where, how, and why framework. It's an effective way to check understanding and strengthen recall, making it a practical tool for active learning. Try it in your next class. Visit the CTL if you would like any help implementing active learning strategies.